characteristics of most of them.
It's a beauty. It's a beauty.
See if Dick Weber's here with his Corvette. He's got one of the nicest Corvettes of anybody I know.
These are pretty nice.
They are, but his has just got that little touch to it that I like.
I didn't know they had a high-power version of a Swinger, but well, we had a '67 Dart with the, gosh, I forget what was in it now. 280, 283, 287.
318.
No, the one smaller than it's
273.
273. That's right. Well, that was a long time ago.
That's not stock motor. The 340 was stock in that 65 Barracuda. Is it a 65 or 66?
Later, it's a later one, I think. The 340 is a later motor.
That's what I thought. Big circle to park a bunch of cars.
Yeah. I didn't start counting, but I think it's about this time.
I didn't count it.
Really?
I'll know later on.
Yeah.
I'll get out of your way.
No.
No? All right.
I got 200 fresh flyers printed out. So we got plenty. 8 years, 10 years.
Plymouth by Petty.
Yeah, he makes, you know, Richard Petty's got a hot rod shop, and that's all they build is hot rod Mopars.
B6s, huh?
What is it?
3.6. The Caddy Corvette. Well, that'd be a car to have.
That's a perfect compromise between a Cadillac luxury car and a Corvette. I wouldn't mind having one of these.
Well, let's go down and sign her name.
Yeah, well, they don't make these anymore.
I know it. So, someone got one.
I don't know what kind of deal you could get.